June was another positive month for UEM's portfolio despite heightened political tensions, especially in the Middle East. UEM's NAV Total Return was up by 2.8% in June, although this was a smaller gain than the MSCI Emerging Markets Total Return Index, which increased by 4.1% in sterling terms during the month. Looking over 3 months, UEM's NAV Total Return was up by 8.2%, significantly outperforming the MSCI Emerging Markets Total Return Index, which increased by 5.4% in sterling terms for the quarter. In June, interest rates were cut in Europe, Mexico and India, whilst Brazil's Selic interest rate rose to 15%, triggering a 3.4% appreciation in the Brazilian real against sterling. The US dollar continued to weaken and European currencies strengthened. The oil price was volatile given June's conflict between Israel and Iran, but ended the month well below its intra-month highs after tensions were diffused. Looking at the top 30 stocks in the portfolio, 6 companies saw their share prices rise by more than 5% in local currency terms in the month, whilst 1 fell by more than 5%. UEM's data center investments had a strong month, reflecting positive sentiments towards the sector after a number of peers upgraded their guidance. KINX was up by 27.4%, also benefiting from Korea's post-election rally, and SUNeVision's share price advanced by 12.4%. Manila Water share price was up by 19%, as its peer Manila Water filed for an IPO, driving interest in the sector. TAV increased by 21.6%, reflecting the strong bounce in the Turkish stock market in June. Ocean Wilson's gained 8.3% as it launched a tender offer and announced a potential merger with Hansa Investment Company. CTP was up by 6.5% as it was seen to benefit from lower European interest rates. Eletrobras, which declined by 5.4%, was the only top 30 holding to fall by more than 5% in the month. UEM share price increased by 1.2% in June, ending the month at 244 pence, and adding on the quarterly dividend of 2.325p per share paid on the 27th of June, the total shareholder return was 2.2%. The discount to NAV increased from 11.0% to 11.6%, and UEM continued to buy back shares. For a full commentary, please do read our June fact sheet available on our website at uemtrust.co.uk, where you can also sign up for email updates. And for more updates and insights, do follow us on LinkedIn.